So thanks to you guys, my YouTube channel focusing on nail education is blooming. And thanks to you guys, I was able to develop a fantastic product that we can all share. Thanks to you guys, it's my first Black Friday sale. I want to say a personal, special thank you to everybody who has purchased the kit and supported me in what I'm doing so I can further education. I'm having so much fun, and I want to celebrate it by offering a discount on all of my products. Go to nailcareer.com and check out what my discounts are. We've had a lot of requests for files that are sold separately and the brush to be sold separately. Right now, they're in one adorable kit. So guess what we're doing? We're gonna offer my fantastic files in a 5-file kit and the brush separately. These 5 files can be used for natural nails, acrylic nails, and gel nails. And my brush is for acrylic only, and that's where you can buy this specifically if you're an acrylic artist and not have to get them in the kit. The kit will still be available. So if you're not needing files to do any of nail work and you don't need the brush for acrylic, I do have my beautiful aprons. I'm so proud of them. It's got the little Nuke saying on it, and you can put a little pocket right up front so you can put your brush, you can put your files in, or even your phone in there when you're working. But it's a great Christmas stocking stuffer and comes in these adorable tubes. Well, thanks for joining me for my Black Friday sale, my first ever. Thanks to you guys. Catch you in the next video.